Hi everyone. Today start now the new article is triangular wave generator. We know that the output of integrator is triangular type of the waveforms if its input is a square wave. Okay, you know that the in an integrator apply the input is the square wave and output goes to the triangular form waveforms. Okay. This means that a triangular wave generator is formed by a simply connecting an integrator to the square wave generation. Okay. In this means that the triangular wave generation is formed by the simply connecting an integrator circuit. Okay. In that the square wave generator. Okay. This circuit requires a dual operational amplifiers. Okay, in this the integrator circuit requires a dual op amps, 2 capacitors and 5 resistors. Okay, in integrator circuit, okay, you know that the integrator circuits require this circuit is a simple circuit and require the 2 op amps, 2 capacitors and 5 resistors. Okay, here we realize triangular wave generation or generator using favor components. Here we realize the triangular wave generator using a favors components. This is shown in the below with the op amp. Okay, 2 op amp. Here shows the triangular waveform circuit diagram. In that consists of 2 operational amplifiers. In that the first op amp in a inverting input is a grounded, non-inverting input connected resistor as well as the output feedback. Okay, output is connected to the non-inverting input terminal through the R1. Here used a potentiometer. Okay, here used a pot. Okay, variable pot R1. Okay, and this first op amp's output is connected to the second op amps through the R3 resistor. Okay, inverting terminal, and non-inverting terminal is a grounded of a second op amp A2. Okay, and output is connected to the inverting terminal of a second op amps through the C capacitor. Okay, as well as this second op amps output is connected to the first op amps non-inverting terminal input through the R2 resistor. Okay, so these are this is shows the triangular wave generator simple circuit diagram. Okay, in that the generator consists of a comparator A1. Here in that used 2 op amps. In that first op amps generate consists of a comparator A1 and an integrator A2. A1 op amp is the comparator, A2 op amp is the integrator. The comparator A1 compares the voltage at point P continuously with the inverting input. This is at a 0 volt. Okay, in that the first op amp here used in a or works in a comparator. Okay, this comparator A1 compares the different two voltages at a point P. In this figure shows point P. Okay, continuously with the inverting input that is at a 0 volt because of the inverting input is connected to the ground. So ground voltage is a 0 volt. Okay, then voltage at P point goes slightly below or above 0 volt, and the output of A1 is at the negative or positive saturation level respectively. Okay, in that way the voltage of the P point goes to the slightly below above the 0 volt. 0 volt पेक्षा काय जाणार ते वरती जाणार आहे. Okay, either 0 or 0 volt above the 0 volt. So the output of the first op amp, that means the comparator A1, is at that the negative or positive saturation level respectively. Okay, let us set the output of A1, that means the output of the comparator A1 at positive saturation. that means the plus V saturation is approximately equal to plus VCC, that means the positive saturation. Okay, it is input of the integrator A2. Okay, these are the output of the comparator. A1 is the positive saturation, that means the plus V saturation, that means the is approximately equal to plus VCC, high voltage. Okay, it is input of the integrator A2. It is the input of the integrator A2. The output of A2 is negative going ramp. Okay, in that the output of A2 integrator is gives to the negative going to ramp. This one end of the voltage divider R1 and R2 is the positive saturation, plus V saturation of A1, and other is the negative going ramp of the A2. Okay, in that the one end of the voltage divider R1 and R2, that means in that the output gives to the integrator A2 is the negative going ramp. Okay, and this one end of the voltage divider R1 and R2 resistor is the positive saturation, that means the plus V saturation of comparator, that means the A1, and other is the negative going ramp of the integrator A2. When this ramp contains value negative ramp voltage, that means the point P slightly below 0 volt. Okay, when gives the P points voltage is below to the 0 volt, here gives to the ramp attains value is the negative ramp voltage. So point B voltage is slightly below to the 0 volt. त्यावेळी काय होणार आहे, 0 व्होल्टच्या खाली येणार आहे पॉईंट बीचं व्होल्टेज. ओके, कधी जेव्हा A2चं आउटपुट आपल्याला काय भेटणार आहे, निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प, गोइंग टू द निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प. ओके, इन अ इंटिग्रेटर A2. Hence the output of A1, hence the output of A1 switch from positive saturation, switch from the positive saturation plus V saturation to negative saturation, that means the minus V saturation is approximately equal to the minus VEE. Okay, in that the output of A1 comparators is switch from the positive saturation to the negative saturation. Okay, then output of A2, that means the comparators output start to go positively, and this will increase until it reaches in a positive ramp voltage, that means the point P slightly above to the 0 volt. Okay, in the P points voltage is slightly above to the 0 volt. In that, then the output of A2, that means the integrator's output starts to go positively, and this will increase until it reaches in a positive ramp voltage, that means the point P voltage in a slightly above to the 0 volt. Okay, so output of A1 in output of comparator is switched back to the negative saturation. Then comparator's output is switched back to the negative saturation when the point P slightly above to the 0 volt, that means the A2 starts to go positively, and this will increase until it reaches to the positive ramp voltage. Okay, then the sequence repeats. This sequence is the repeats. The output waveform is shown. Okay, this sequence is the repeat. So output waveforms here shows. Okay, output waveforms is the positive saturation. Input काय दिलेलं आहे, याला स्क्वेअर वेव्ह दिले, आउटपुट आपल्याला काय भेटणार आहे, ट्रायंगुलर वेव्ह. ओके, सो इन दॅट द रॅम्प पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज देन below goes to the 0 volt. Okay, at a point P, then output of the A2s is the negative ramp voltage. Okay, so point P's voltage is about to the 0 volt. Okay, then output of the A2's integrator's output gives to the positive ramp voltage, then in a point P voltage is the above to the 0 volt. These sequence is repeated. Okay, so these waveforms is gives to the these given circuits in a square wave generator. Okay, sorry, triangular wave generator. Okay, in this the frequency of triangular wave and square wave are the same. This shows the frequency of the triangular wave and square wave's frequency is the same frequency. Okay, the amplitude square wave is a function of the DC supply voltages in amplitude of the square wave. Square wave's amplitude काय असणार आहे is a function of the DC supply voltage. Function of a DC supply voltage. However, in that the required amplitude is obtained by using the appropriate zeros at output of A1. In that the required amplitude is obtained by using the appropriate zeros at output of A1. The amplitude and frequency of triangular wave is determined as follows. In that the amplitude and frequency of a triangular wave is determined as follows. Okay, from in that this figure shows the figure when the output of the comparator A1 is positive saturation voltage. When the output of a comparator, that means the first op-amp A1 is used to the plus saturation, the output of integrator A2, then the output of integrator A2 steadily decreased until it reaches in a negative ramp voltage. In the integrator's output A2's is a steadily decrease until it reaches in a negative ramp voltage. Okay, जेव्हा कंपॅरेटरचं आउटपुट हे प्लस सॅच्युरेशन व्होल्टेज असेल त्यावेळी इंटिग्रेटरचं आउटपुट हे स्लाइटली काय होणार आहे डिक्रीज होणार आहे रीच टू दी निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प व्होल्टेज. ओके, ॲट दिस टाइम द आउटपुट ऑफ A1 in a comparator's output A1 switches from the positive saturation to the negative saturation. Okay, at that time the output of comparators, that means A1, switches from the positive saturation to the negative saturation. Just before this switching occurs, the voltage at point P is 0 volt. Okay, just in this situation, before this switching occurs, the voltage at point P is 0 volt. This means that in a negative ramp voltage must be developed across in a R2 resistor. This means that the negative ramp voltage must be developed across the R2 resistor and plus saturation must be developed across the R1 resistor. Okay, समजलो याच्यामध्ये काय दिस मीन्स दॅट द निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प व्होल्टेज मस्ट बी डेव्हलप R2च्या अक्रॉस काय डेव्हलप होणार आहे निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प व्होल्टेज डेव्हलप होणार आहे आणि R1 रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉस पॉझिटिव्ह सॅच्युरेशन व्होल्टेज हे डेव्हलप होणार आहे. सो राईट नाव द -V ramp upon R2 resistor is equal to +V saturation upon R1 resistor. So calculate the negative ramp voltage. Calculate the negative ramp voltage is equal to -R2 upon R1 minus R2 upon R1 in bracket plus V saturation. This equation is the first number equation. Here note down the first number equation. Minus ramp voltage is equal to -R2 upon R1 in bracket plus V saturation. Okay, similarly positive ramp voltage, the output voltage of A2 at which output of A1 switches from the negative saturation voltage to positive saturation voltage is given. Okay, similarly the here positive ramp voltage, the output voltage of A2 is the integrator, which output of A1, that means the comparator's output, switches from the negative saturation voltage to the positive saturation voltage. Okay, the equation given by the in that the positive ramp voltage upon R2 resistor is equal to -V saturation upon R1 resistor. Okay, so Right now the positive ramp voltage plus V ramp is equal to minus R2 upon R1 in bracket minus V saturation. Okay, this equation is the second number equation. Shows the this equation is the second number equation, is the ramp positive voltage plus V ramp is equal to minus R2 upon R1 in bracket minus V saturation voltage. Okay, from these two equations, first and second, from these two equations, first and second, the peak to peak output amplitude of the triangular wave, the peak to peak means, you know that peak to peak, okay, peak to peak, peak to peak output amplitude of the triangular waveform. Okay, here shows the triangular waveform. Peak to peak means समजते का कुठं मेजर करणार आहे आपण पीक टू पीक, हे बघा याच्यामध्ये हे काय झाला, इथं शोज दी पीक, दीज आर दी वन पीक, दीज आर दी सेकंड पीक, पीक टू पीक. ओके, हा काय झाला फर्स्ट पीक झाला पीक, आणि हा काय झाला सेकंड पीक झाला. ह्या पॉईंटपासून इथं दिलं आहे प्लस व्ही रॅम्प, इथून इथंपर्यंत, इथंपर्यंत हा एक पीक झाला. पर तिथून पुढचा पीक इथंपर्यंत. ओके, हा एक पीक झाला, पीक टू पीक. ओके, रॅम्प व्होल्टेज shows in that see the peak to peak output amplitude of the triangular wave is output voltage V0, PP means the peak to peak voltage, output voltage is equal to, in that plus V ramp plus minus V ramp, in that plus V ramps value and minus V ramps value in the equation 1 and 2. Right now R2 upon R1 in bracket minus V saturation plus R2 upon R1 in bracket plus V saturation. So here right now the twice R2 upon R1 in bracket V saturation. Okay, twice R2 upon R1 in bracket V saturation. These are the third number equation. These are the third number equation. Okay, in that where saturation voltage is equal to plus V saturation is equal to minus V saturation. Okay, saturation voltage म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे तर positive saturation as well as the negative saturation. Both saturation equation is both saturation voltage is the same. That means the V saturation. Okay, this equation indicates that the amplitude of the triangular wave decrease with an increase in R1. Okay, this equation indicates, equation काय indicate करतं तर indicates that the amplitude of a triangular waveची जी amplitude असेल ती काय होणार आहे डिक्रीजेस विथ ॲन इंक्रीज इन R1 रेजिस्टर. जेव्हा R1 रेजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू आपण इंक्रीज करणार आहे तेव्हा ट्रायंग्युलर वेवफॉर्मची जी ॲम्प्लिट्यूड असेल ती काय होणार आहे डिक्रीज होणार आहे. शोज दिस द equation. Okay, then the time take for the output waveform to swing from minus V ramp to plus V ramp. Okay, take for the output waveform to swing from minus V ramp to plus V ramp or from in a plus V ramp to the minus V ramp. Okay, that means the in that time take for the output waveforms in a swing from the negative ramp voltage to the positive ramp voltage or positive ramp voltage to the negative ramp voltage is equal to half of the time period. Okay, half of the time period. Time period means the t is equal to on time plus off time. So here half means the t upon 2. That means the half of the time period. Okay, this is calculated from the integrator output equation. This is calculated from the integrator output equation. Here right now the integrated output equation is the V0 is equal to, integrator's output is the V0 is equal to minus 1 upon R1 CF in integration 0 to T V in dt. These are the output of integrator. Okay, so here right now the peak to peak voltage V0 peak to peak is equal to minus 1 upon R3 C in integration 0 to half of the time, that means 0 to T upon 2 in bracket minus V saturation dt. Okay, so here right now the positive is saturation upon R3 C in bracket T 0 to T upon 2, integration of 0 to T upon 2. So right now the V saturation upon R3C in T upon 2, in T upon 2. So right now the T upon 2 half of the time, T upon 2 is equal to peak voltage V0 PP upon V saturation R3C. So right now the time, these are the half of the time. So right now the time is the twice. इन हाफचा ट्वाइस केला तर तो काय होणार आहे, टोटल टाइम येणार आहे. सो टी इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस V0 P to PP, that means the peak to P output voltage upon saturation voltage in R3C. So this equation is the fourth number equation. This equation is the fourth number equation where also saturation voltage is equal to positive saturation voltage is equal to negative saturation voltage. Here in that the saturation voltage V saturation is equal to plus V saturation is equal to minus V saturation. Then from equation 3 we get, right now the T is equal to twice 2 upon R1 V saturation upon V saturation R3C. In that the peak to peak voltage is the twice R2 upon R1 in a saturation voltage. So right now the time T is equal to 4 R3C upon R resistor. Time is equal to T is equal to 4 R2 resistor, R3 resistor, C capacitor upon R1 resistor. Okay, the frequency of oscillation, these are the T in the frequency of oscillation. Frequency's formula is the 1 upon T. Frequency is calculated is the 1 upon T. T is the time. So F is equal to R1 upon 4 R2 R3 C. Capacitor C. F is equal to R1 resistor upon 4 R2 resistor, R3 resistor, and C is the capacitor. This shows that the frequency of oscillation F increases with an increase in R1 resistor. Okay, this shows the frequency of oscillation. Frequency of oscillation. Which type of the oscillation in a triangular wave generator? आपल्याला आउटपुटला काय भेटलं, इनपुटला आपण स्क्वेअर वेव्ह दिली आणि आउटपुटला आपल्याला ट्रायंगुलर वेव्ह भेटली. ओके, दिस शोज दॅट दिस फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑसिलेशन एफ इज इंक्रीजेस विथ इंक्रीज इन R1 रेजिस्टर. जेव्हा आपण R1 रेजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू इंक्रीज करणार आहे त्यावेळी आपल्याला फ्रिक्वेन्सी काय भेटणार आहे, इंक्रीज भेटणार. ओके, दिस आर्टिकल इज द व्हेरी सिम्पल आर्टिकल. लॉंग आर्टिकल आहे बट खूप सिम्पल आर्टिकल आहे. म्हणजे तुम्हाला दिसायला खूप मोठं आर्टिकल वाटेल पण जेव्हा आपण तुम्ही समजून घ्याल ओके त्यावेळी हे आर्टिकल खूप सिम्पल आर्टिकल आहे. ट्रायंगुलर वेव्ह जनरेटर. ओके, म्हणजे आपण आउटपुटला ट्रायंगुलर टाईपची वेव्ह फॉर्म आपण जनरेट करतो आहे. इनपुटला आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये स्क्वेअर वेव्ह देते. सिम्पल डायग्रॅम ह्याच्यामध्ये 2 ओपॅम यूज केले आहेत. फर्स्ट ओपॅम हा ॲज अ कम्पॅरेटर यूज केला आहे आणि सेकंड ओपॅम हा ॲज अ इंटिग्रेटर यूज केला आहे. ओके, कम्पॅरेटर काय करतो, कम्पेअर द 2 व्होल्टेजेस. इन दॅट इन अ इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनल हे ऑलवेज 0 व्होल्ट असणार आहे अँड नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग हे डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दी पी पॉईंट. ओके, आयदर पॉझिटिव्ह सॅच्युरेशन आयदर निगेटिव्ह सॅच्युरेशन. ओके, अँड इंटिग्रेटर आउटपुटचं इंटिग्रेटर असेल ते कशाला कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे तर कम्पॅरेटरच्या इनपुटला कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे. सिम्पल आहे आर्टिकल, काही याच्यामध्ये अवघड नाही आहे. आपण याच्यामध्ये काय काय कॅल्क्युलेट केलं आहे बघा. तर इथं पाहिलं आपण काय इनपुटला स्क्वेअर वेव्ह दिली, आउटपुटला आपल्याला ट्रायंगुलर वेव्ह फॉर्म भेटलेली आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट काय केलं आपण तर निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प व्होल्टेज आणि पॉझिटिव्ह रॅम्प व्होल्टेज हे कुठं भेटलं आपल्याला निगेटिव्ह आणि पॉझिटिव्ह, तर ॲट अ पॉईंट पी. ओके, म्हणजे पी पॉईंटला जेव्हा काय असेल, पी पॉईंटचं व्होल्टेज हे 0 अबोव दी 0 व्होल्ट असेल. ओके, त्यावेळी आपल्याला आउटपुट ऑफ दी कंपॅरेटर, आउटपुट ऑफ दी इंटिग्रेटर हे सगळं आपण पाहिलं तर काय भेटलं आपल्याला, निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प व्होल्टेज, पॉझिटिव्ह रॅम्प व्होल्टेज. ओके, इन अ पॉझिटिव्ह सॅच्युरेशन टू निगेटिव्ह सॅच्युरेशन, निगेटिव्ह सॅच्युरेशन टू पॉझिटिव्ह सॅच्युरेशन. ओके, निगेटिव्ह रॅम्प टू पॉझिटिव्ह रॅम्प. ओके, खूप सिम्पल आर्टिकल आहे. टाईम कॅल्क्युलेट केला आपण, त्याच्यावरून फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॅल्क्युलेट केली. तर फ्रिक्वेन्सी ह्या ऑसिलेशनची जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी असेल, वेन द increase in R1 resistor then increase in a frequency EF. Okay, so I think this article is here completed in a triangular wave generator. Okay, I think stop here. Thank you all of you.